At Carepatron, we are constantly looking at ways to improve. If you have any feedback on how we can improve our videos and resources, please leave us a comment in the comment section below. Bilirubin is a yellowish substance created when aging red blood cells break down. As red blood cells reach the end of their life, hemoglobin is released and converted into bilirubin. Your liver then processes this bilirubin so it can be removed from the body through bile or urine. Bilirubin levels in your blood can tell us a lot about how your liver is functioning, how healthy your red blood cell breakdown process is, and whether your bile is flowing normally. If bilirubin builds up, it can lead to jaundice, a yellowing of the skin and eyes. This can happen if the liver isn't working properly, if bile ducts are blocked, or if red blood cells are breaking down too quickly. What is the difference between conjugated and unconjugated bilirubin? There are two main types of bilirubin: unconjugated or indirect bilirubin. This form is insoluble in water and travels in the blood, attached to a protein called albumin. It's sent to the liver where it gets conjugated, basically bound to a sugar molecule, so it becomes soluble. High levels of unconjugated bilirubin can be caused by hemolytic anemia, problems with liver uptake, or certain genetic conditions like Gilbert's syndrome. Conjugated, or direct bilirubin. This form is water-soluble and is made in the liver after conjugation. It's then excreted in bile and leaves the body through stool or urine. High levels of conjugated bilirubin can be linked to bile duct blockages, hepatitis, cirrhosis, or rare disorders like Rotor syndrome. How to use our bilirubin levels chart. For newborns, we often use a bilirubin levels chart, also called a nomogram, to compare a baby's bilirubin level with their age in hours. This helps guide diagnosis and treatment for neonatal jaundice. Here's how it works. Step 1. Initial check. Examine the baby's skin for jaundice and confirm with a bilirubin test. Step 2. Testing. Measure bilirubin levels with a blood test. Step 3. Plotting results. Record results on the chart over time to visualize trends. Step 4. Treatment planning. Use chart data to decide next steps like phototherapy, exchange transfusion, or additional tests. Measuring bilirubin is important for 3 key reasons. Diagnosing disorders. It helps detect liver disease, bile duct blockages, and hemolytic conditions. Managing newborn jaundice. Early treatment can prevent serious complications. Tracking recovery. Monitoring bilirubin levels shows how well treatment is working. In short, bilirubin levels are a vital indicator of liver health, red blood cell breakdown, and bile excretion. Distinguishing between unconjugated and conjugated forms helps pinpoint the cause of high levels. And in newborns, timely testing can be life-saving. You can learn more about topics like the Bilirubin Levels Chart in our guides library on our Carepatron website. Visit our website and sign up for free. If this video is helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and check out more of our content.